Yoyo Toshio, everyone. We're here at Numata, still in Gunma. Last night it was snowing. As you can see, it's still powder snow. It's beautiful. Get it? I was just thinking, if you don't know what to pursue in life, pursue yourself. Pursue becoming the healthiest, happiest, most present, most healed, and most confident version of yourself, because by then the right path will reveal itself. So, yep. Oh, magduwa tag snow. Nice kayo, oh. Diba? Tiis ganda ni siya. Kay tugnaw kaayo. Yung nag-gloves ko nga. Nipis raman ni siya. I'm not sure. Nice kaayo, diba? Tiis ganda